Threat actors are distributing malicious Python packages to the popular Python Package Index, or PYPI service. Welcome back to another video from TuxCare, where we give you the latest news on Linux security. The hackers are using authentic-sounding file names and hidden imports to deceive developers and steal their data. The WASP malware is a data-stealing Python package that is used to steal information. The packages receive relatively harmless names or names that resemble legitimate packages, a practice known as typo squatting. Stealer was discovered by the software supply chain firm Phylum and owned 29 packages in the Python Package Index, the official third-party software repository for the Python programming language. The typo squatting trick resulted in over 5,700 downloads of the packages. The attack began around October 12, 2022 and culminated on October 22nd. The malicious import was simply injected into the majority of packages setup.py or init.py files, especially the older ones. The ultimate goal of the attack is to install the information-stealing Trojan WASP Stealer, which lists the victim's system, steals passwords stored in the browser, targets cryptocurrency wallets, and searches for interesting files using keywords such as bank and secret. If you want to learn more about this story, be sure to check out the link in the description. And for more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.